Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2015 Audi Q5. So the tools you're going to need is oil filter wrench, oil filter, oil, which is 5W40, and if you want to make your life easier you can get a suction pump. I have the 6.5 liter one. There's a 8.5 liter one you can get, that's better. And then have a drain bucket, because I have a 6.5 one, so I'm gonna have to drain some oil in there. But other than that, should be good to go, and I'll show you guys at the end.